स्टेप 2, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि डिपेंडेंसी कितनी है पॉट की क्ले से. ने रिलेशनशिप, स्टेप 1 में हमने रिलेशनशिप समझ लिया कि ऑल्दो इट अपीयर्स टू बी अ पॉट, it has a certain function, but it's everything that you see, touch, feel is clay. Step 2 is, what is the dependency? Who is dependent on what? Is the clay dependent on the pot, or pot is dependent on the clay? Yes, pot is dependent on the clay. So pot cannot exist by itself. ठीक है? It can only exist when the clay exists. So what is it dependent on what? Pot is dependent on the clay. अब एक स्टेप और लेकर के पीछे जाते हैं. अगर फंक्शनलिटी है ही नहीं, अगर कॉजेलिटी है ही नहीं, ठीक है, मान लीजिए अगर आप ही नहीं हैं, आप नहीं हुए, तो आपके माता पिता ही नहीं बनेंगे. जब कॉज ही नहीं है तो कॉजालिटी की कोई एग्जिस्टेंस है? अगर पॉट हुआ ही नहीं, जो था सब क्ले ही था शुरू से आखिर तक, तो क्या एग्जिस्ट करता है? सिर्फ क्ले. दैट मीन्स द एग्जिस्टेंस ओनली एग्जिस्ट्स एंड नथिंग एल्स डज. जब तक कॉजालिटी नहीं है तब तक कॉज की कोई एग्जिस्टेंस है ही नहीं. आप आए तो आपके माता पिता बने, वरना दे वर जस्ट हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ. अगर पॉट हुआ तब जाकर के क्ले से पॉट बना, वरना पॉट की कोई एग्जिस्टेंस ही नहीं थी. द ओनली क्ले एग्जिस्ट्स. सो ओनली एग्जिस्टेंस एग्जिस्ट्स. सो यू आर नथिंग, जस्ट द एग्जिस्टेंस अपीयरिंग टू बी a person, looking a certain way, doing a certain function. ठीक है? अब एक और तरीके से एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट कंसेप्ट. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अस एंड आवर रिफ्लेक्शन. तो अगर हम सिमुलेशन में समझे और हम ये कहें कि इट्स नॉट समथिंग वेरी रियल हैपनिंग, ये सब सिमुलेशन है, ठीक है, और घटनाक्रम ऐसे चल रहा है, इट्स नॉट द रियलिटी. एंड अगर हम शंकराचार्य जी की बात सुने तो जैसा शंकराचार्य जी कहते हैं, चिदानंद रूपा शिवोहम शिवोहम, उन्होंने हर चीज को नलिफाई कर दिया. मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार, चित्त, एंड नथिंग आई एम जस्ट प्योर इटर्नल अवेयरनेस. सो इफ यू आर प्योर इटर्नल अवेयरनेस, देन हु इज सेइंग आई एम प्योर इटर्नल अवेयरनेस? Who is saying? Because you have said ki something that cannot speak, that cannot express, that cannot experience, है ना? I am something which just awareness. Then who is telling that I am just the awareness? Okay, let's understand with an example. There is a mirror in front of you. There is a mirror in front of you. And you see your reflection in the mirror. Is the reflection real or you are real? Both are real, right? Both are real. If you are real, whatever you see as your reflection is also real. Now, in the reflection, you see your hands, your legs, however way you move it, the reflection will also move it. आप कुछ बोलेंगे, आपको रिफ्लेक्शन में भी वैसा ही दिखाई देगा. ठीक है? कैन यू से दैट द रिफ्लेक्शन एंड यू आर सेम? नो. ऑल्दो दे लुक एग्जैक्टली सेम, कैन यू से दे आर सेम? नो. डिपेंडेंसी. स्टेप 2, डिपेंडेंसी. Reflection is dependent on you. If I have a mirror in front of me, I will be able to see my reflection. But if the mirror is removed, still you can see me. So I exist, but the mirror is not having me. So I cannot see my reflection. So reflection is dependent on me, but I am not dependent on my reflection. Dependency. Understood? Reflection cannot exist without the real can exist without the reflection. Now what you see here, is this real? Is the question. This is also the reflection that you see. Reflection of I. So I have to express myself. If I have to see into the mirror, I see my reflection. What you see is my reflection, which I superimpose through the body and mind given to me, through this functionality. A pot, its functionality and its shape and everything, although it's just the existence, it's just the clay, but it appears to be a pot and it does the service of pot in its lifetime. This is what my reflection appears to be and functioning through this body and communicating with you. ठीक है? So now we again come up with another question कि अब ये जो I है, I मैं, अब ये बहुत difficult हो गया concept समझने के लिए, है ना? कि what is I then? चलो, we came down to the concept कि at least I exist and existence only exists. So I am existence. But what is I? And who says that I am existence? So here comes three kind of definitions that you can give to I. A person who is into ignorance. Ignorance is what? When you are identifying yourself just with the body and mind is the biggest ignorance one can have. So when you identify yourself as the body and the mind, then when you say I, you are referring to this body and mind clearly. When a person who is a little aware, जो जागृत लोग हैं, self-aware people, for them I is perceived as two things. How? I'll give you an example. So Ramakrishna Paramhans in his last days when he was suffering from throat cancer, so he was not able to eat. So he is saying to one of his colleagues, he's saying ki it hurts. He's referring, it hurts, I cannot eat. And he is saying it with a very beautiful smile on his face. So the other Swami is saying ki, but you look blissful. So he said, yes, I am blissful. So there are two I. He is saying this hurts, referring to just the throat. I cannot eat, the body cannot eat. I am blissful. He, the real, the true existence is blissful. That's the only state the existence can exist in. So for the aware people, for the Jagrata, for the self-aware ones, the I is different, the way they refer it. They can consider the bodily pain completely separate from what they perceive, their emotion completely separate from what they are. And that is why they are very sthir. It's very difficult for you to make them look very disturbed from within. They may look disturbed from outside. From inside their environment, their universe cannot be disturbed that much. So the duality and non-duality, these are very beautiful concepts actually, and there was a charcha happening once. Two of the different swamis are sitting together and they are arguing कि you guys say everything is simulation, nothing is in existence. How can you say that? I can see it. Can you see the fan? Can you see the fan? All of you? We all can see the fan. If we can even record it in camera, कि see, the fan exists. But the one and only answer a non-dualist would give, okay, I agree. But can you prove the existence of fan without your own existence? If you exist, then the fan exists. If you do not exist, the fan does not exist. Again, the cause and causality. If there is nothing creating, if you do not exist, you do not require the air, there is no fan. There was nothing needed. If you exist, everything around you is fabricated. So it's a fabricated reality. Now the thing is why would you like to understand the concept of non-duality when the duality is doing good to you? You are enjoying the process. Very conveniently you are there, some other people are there, all mutually sharing our experiences. How beautiful. Non-duality looks so lonely. Only you alone, nothing else.